What's up everybody, Lycan-Strife your Rebel Drifter, and today we're unboxing a suitcase. Alright, so that was a pretty dramatic intro, so let's just open up the little box right here. This has been sent to us by a friend of mine called David, but it's a company called FlashFish. It's a funny name if you ask me, I think it's pretty cool. And this is also, of course, very simple to do because there's not going to be like so much mysterious stuff in here. We have our FlashFish A101 portable power station quick start guide, so that's very handy. We've got the power station or portable power station itself right here. Let's open it up. There we go. Very cool looking. So to the side you have your AC in. On the other side I think there's a fan for cooling. The bottom has 4 little rubber feet. The top has the button for the light, which turns on like so if it works. Yep, there you go. Even like this, because it wasn't on, it turns on like that. So I actually want to try this light out soon for one of my my videos, to see if I can use this as a third light, maybe on something high up. Nice! And then on the other side we have your USB-C in 2 times, a DC in, which is probably going to be for charging, and then we have a USB-A, also 2 times. And then what else is in the box? We also have our black box, which is going to be the charger, of course. Oh, cool. So we have a car charger, which is really nice. We have our lanyard, which we're going to put on that thing to carry it around. And we have our power brick, which is the EU one, because I am in the EU. So that's all really nice. We're going to put this to the side, or we're just going to put everything back in the box. There we go. We've got our little portable box over here again. So it's the model A101 230 volts AC OG plus OG. Don't know what that stands for. It's a portable solar generator, lithium battery, AC output, DC output, 2 times USB and 2 times PD it says. You can also get a version like this with solar panels. So if you're then outside and you don't have somewhere to charge this up again, you can actually use the solar panels, which is really cool. So what it says on the back: excellent gear to power up your life. The portable solar generator is made not only for emergencies backup power at home, but is also very useful for camping or wherever you need power when you are on the go. With high power energy, you can keep your electrical devices, appliances, lights and more going for longer. Now there's still a whole list here that we can talk about. Built in a high quality lithium battery, compact design with tough structure, excellent, smart and safe, ultra bright LED or LED flashlight, support MPPT technology, maximum power point tracking, which is designed to use with wind turbines and photovoltaic PV solar systems to maximize power extraction under all conditions. That's really cool. So overcharge proof, over discharge proof, and then it also has overcurrent protection, over power protection, and short circuit protection. So pretty much everybody can use this without screwing this thing up. That's really nice. Alright, here we go. Here's the light again. So I can turn it on by just holding this button. Boom. Very bright light. Looks very good. Let me turn it around a little bit to see what it does with the green screen. So like I said, I kind of want to try and use this for a third light, because I have a light left and a light on the right side regarding the green screen. But I still actually need a third light actually in front of my face. So this is the front of the FlashFish A101. As you can see here, 2 USB-As, 2 USB-Cs. I think if you press this button or hold it, it's probably not working. Oh, it is. Yeah. Oh, it's going to start using the fan, and it's going to put in the stuff on here. So when you're charging, like for example, my Segway Go-Kart Pro 2, I could put it on this one right here on the big plug hole, and then you can probably charge that up as well. There you go. Turn the light off. Let's turn the AC off as well. Can we turn it off? Yeah, there you go. Okay, so that's the only thing that you have to be mindful of when you use the AC power button for the side over here. You do have to manually turn that off. If you don't, it's just going to run over till the end, which is fine. I mean, it's still protected, of course, but you know, that's something to be aware of. Now we can press this and then it will turn on the screen, which is really nice. And yeah, it just all speaks for itself. It's just a really nice design. It's very lightweight. It's super compact. My wife is a prepper. She's getting ready for the zombie apocalypse. And, you know, you never know how that's going to go. So we're really happy that FlashFish bestowed this little A101 power generator on our lap for our YouTube channel. So thank you very much for that. And yeah, from there I don't have these other things. Well, we do. I mean, we have this little plug right here. This one is going to go into this one for the car charger. There you go. It's going to be stuck in like that. And then of course we have this one right here. Oh, this is also a small one. So that means that if we want to, for example, you have these big holes right here with the pin. You sometimes have like a whatchamacallit, like a keyboard or something else that has those big plugs. You can still put that in there. So this one also goes into the small one, which is really cool. So now we can charge it up if we want to. Can we charge it? Oh, I'm not going to try that. That's actually very scary. But can we put this one in here and then make it charge itself? Let's not try that. That's going to be too much. I should not even have brought that up. That's really scary. All right, so we have our light set up here. I'm going to press the button to turn it off. Now the problem with this little block right here, this plug gets really hot no matter what happens. So if I plug it into this one, there we go. And I turn this on and then I press the button. Should this work? Yay, it works. All right, so now we could pretty much use both lights, if I want to, through this little power generator. See, there you go. It's the light powered on. Follow the cable, and it's into that little power box right there. That's really cool. So if I wanted to, I could make like a smaller how do you say, the cable run behind the area where I'm filming, so I don't have to use like two power boxes. I could probably just run both cables towards the little generator here from FlashFish, and then we would be ready to go, shooting on location and everything. That's actually really cool. All right, let's get the lanyard on, which is also pretty cool because it has this little clip, so we should be able to just slot it in like this, which is also, again, a very nice design. There you go. So now I can just, you know, take it with me like this. It's not going to go anywhere, which is pretty cool. And yeah, this is going to go with us on a lot of trips, you know, for if we get stuck somewhere or if we want to charge our phones and we can't do it in the car and we're out and about on like the beach or something, we can easily take this with us in our backpack and or also just carry it. And yeah, I don't know, I just love these kind of inventions and these little generator things. I mean, I would love to buy a set of solar panels and see how that goes outside, especially in the heat, or well, in the summertime when the sun shows itself a lot, and then see how fast this one actually charges with the solar panels. All right, and there you have it, everybody, the FlashFish A101. And yeah, I don't have anything to charge right now, so I can't really like make a time lapse or put anything on there. But I urge everybody to go and check out their website and buy this little portable solar generator. My advice is get the one with the solar panels, because that way you can always charge it. This has been a really cool unboxing. I really like the product. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe and check out FlashFish. Thank you very much for the support.